Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a magnetic broom, including the wheels, the rope, and the magnets, and where the magnets come from. Okay, I mean, this thing works really good when you have a gravel driveway or even your lawn when they do the roof and all those nails landed and your dog gets them stuck in their paws, so hey, this thing works really good. So I'm going to go around and show you where I get all the parts. Hey, this is an old trash can. It's getting ready to be thrown away. And I took the wheels off the back down there. So it's a smaller one, not like this guy, unless you make a bigger one. These are the wheels on the back of this one. All right, so hey, absolutely free. It's going to be thrown away anyway. Now these are 110-pound magnets. This is actually 150-pound magnets up here. This is on Amazon. You can get these. It's like $10.99 for 6 of them. They come with the screws. So one thing you got to make sure is you don't screw it down so hard that you're going to break these. All right, and it's $10 and it has apply a 10% coupon. Hey, so it takes about 11 of them. All right, and then you also need some of these guys that hold down the rope, and use nylon rope or you can do a laundry hanger rope from the yard or something like that. Okay, so let's go take a look now. All right, so what we have here is there's rocks from the driveway. I've already done a lot of it, so these rocks will come off at a time. But the thing is, you screw them in. These are the screws that come with it. They might turn a little bit. That's okay. On the side here, all right, I use caster bolts for this, and there's screw them in. You want to drill first so you don't split the wood. Okay, and have them a little loose so the wheels will turn. Over here is eyelet screws with a nylon rope, and that's where they're tightened down. So you have it real tight in there, nylon rope, and let's go do some work on the side and see what happens. All right, when you bring it around where it's on the bottom, you'll see them down there. So you bring it down and you just pull it. Now you hear a click when it picks up something. All right, so I'm just going to go around this a little bit. See how nice it rolls? I heard something. I hear something else. So even with the grass, it's not going to wipe them off. All right, so let's turn it over and see what it picked up. I heard 2 things click. Let's see if it actually, yep, look at this. There's a nail, there's a roofing nail. Two roofing nails that would have gone into either my shoes or my dog's paw or somebody else. All right, how much is the Magnetic Broom cost? You just made one and it hardly cost you anything. Subscribe and see more. Bye now.